Hi, so today I'm going to show you an air purifier. This is a high efficiency air purifier. They can eliminate about 99.97% of small particles in your air. It can eliminate as small as 0.3 microns in diameter particles. So it can be dust, it can be pollen, it can also eliminate any pet hair, maybe there's even bacteria. So it does a pretty good job on cleaning your air in your apartment or in your house, or maybe it is in the office. It also has a special feature, which is 1900 W negative ion. I'm going to show you in a little bit over here how it works. And it also has a very, very quiet working regime. So in comparison with other air purifiers, this is a very quiet purifier. So it goes only up to 30 decibels, which is as quiet as whisper. So again, this is perfect while you're sleeping. It will not create any noises. And also, it has an air quality indicator. So according to PM 2.5, there are 3 different indicators of the air quality, which I will show you in a little bit again once I turn it on. But before I do so, I want to show inside that it has a 3-layer filtration. So if we open it on both sides like this, we see this is a filter right here. I'm going to pull it out just to show you. So this is the filter right here. This is just inside. This is a 3-layer filter. And this is how it looks inside. I'm going to put it back. And I'm going to turn it on so you can see how it works. Okay, so now I'm ready to plug our air purifier into the power source. And you just heard the beep. You see the indicator of power on, power off went on. So right now it is red, which means it is off. Let me click on it to turn it on. So we hear the machine just started. Once it kind of warms up, you can hear that the fan speed went down, and literally you cannot hear that it is on, which is very nice. So right here we see a speed fan indicator. So I'm going to click on it. That's speed 1. Next one, speed 2. The speed fan increases. And then number 3. The next one would be on auto. So this is more like a sleep mode. So I would call it a mute mode, so you cannot hear it working. You don't know if it's on or off. The only indicator that we have over here is this kind of moon sign right here, so we know it is on sleep mode. So now let me show the air quality indicator. That's the PM 2.5 smart, which we call intelligent indicator right here, which shows the air quality. So the green color represents for the excellent air quality in a room. So this is what we want. Also on the left, this is where you set up your timer. You can set up anything from 1 hour up to 8 hours. Also down below over here, you will see if you need to change your filter. So whenever time comes to change your filter, which I showed you earlier, you see that sign will show up right there too. So yeah, it has many different functions that you can play with. So you will also see right here like those 3 dots. That means our negative ion feature is on, the one that I mentioned earlier, 1900 W. It is on, which is perfect while you're sleeping. It actually creates a perfect environment to get a good sleep and for your body to relax. So this sign indicates that it is on with those 3 dots next to A, and A represents that it's actually in auto mode right now. So yeah, you cannot really hear it. So this is excellent while you're sleeping or working, so nothing really distracts you or interrupts you from any of your activities that you're doing.